My big question is, can your discovery one day be used to extend the human lifespan?
Well,
Picture this. While you're watching this video, something wild is going on inside your cells. Right now, your body's busy with processes that can either speed up aging or slam it into reverse. Back in 2012, a quiet Japanese scientist named Shinya Yamanaka made a discovery that honestly shocked the entire medical world. His work didn't just earn him a Nobel Prize in medicine. It flipped our whole understanding of aging on its head. Here's what's crazy. Dr. Yamanaka managed to take old, sluggish cells and actually turn them back into young, vibrant ones. He proved that you can reverse aging at the cellular level. Not just slow it down, not just delay it, actually reverse it. If you're over 50, this hits close to home, because those same cellular changes are happening inside you right now. And this is where things get really good, so stick around. Scientists are still improving this Nobel Prize-winning tech in labs all over the world. But here's the thing. There are natural, science-backed ways to tap into these same cellular pathways right now. I'm about to break down what Dr. Yamanaka discovered and show you how you can use this information to slow down your own biological clock. What you learn here could seriously change the way you see aging. Maybe for good.
so we are doing our best to expand our health span. I'm not sure about lifespan itself. If it's healthy, if we can live to 100 or 120, that would be great.
Good. Let me first explain what happens to your cells at 50. Dr. Jan Weig and his team at Albert Einstein College of Medicine published a 2021 Nature Aging article that indicates our cellular repair capabilities decline in our fifth decade. Around 50, all cells in different tissues start to age poorly, according to the study. All your organs undergo three major alterations. First, DNA damage accumulates faster than cells can repair. In 2019, Dr. David Skadden of the Harvard Stem Cell Institute found that the average cell has hundreds of DNA defects by 50. These lesions hinder gene and cell function. The Cell Reports study found that aged cells spend more energy to repair this damage, leaving less energy for normal cell functions. Second, your mitochondria, cell energy makers, produce less energy and more toxic waste. In PNAS, Dr. Douglas Wallace's University of Pennsylvania team found that mitochondrial function reduces 40% between 50 and 80. The 2020 study indicated that mitochondrial DNA mutations increase exponentially beyond 50, lowering ATP generation and increasing reactive oxygen species. Losing energy hurts cells more, creating a vicious cycle. Third, telomeres, which safeguard chromosomes, shorten when cells divide. The 2019 Nature study by Nobel Prize winner Elizabeth Blackburn found that immune cells' telomeres shrink quicker after 50. Cellular aging harms your immune system, tissue healing, and wellness. In 2018, Dr. Maria Blasco's team at the Spanish National Cancer Research Center released research in Cell demonstrating that short telomeres trigger body-wide senescence cascades. Here, Dr. Yamanaka's discovery alters everything. Dr. Shinya Yamanaka and his doctoral student Kazutoshi Takahashi at Kyoto University discovered 4 ways to permanently stop cell aging in 2006. The revolutionary study, Induction of Pluripotent Stem Cells from Mouse Embryonic and Adult Fibroblast Cultures by Defined Factors, was published in Cell on August 25, 2006. This transformed the field forever. People called them Yamanaka factors. 4 transcription proteins are OCT4, SOX2, KLF4, and CMYC. OCT4 and SOX2 Stem cell identity master regulators originate in embryonic stem cells. Hear this. Your cells recall youth. Actually recall. Japanese scientists identified the switches. Get them youthful again. What first startled researchers. The 4 magic switches. Dr. Yamanaka found 4 specific compounds that act as master switches for cells. The first one is KLF4, which controls how cells grow and divide. The second is CMYC, which controls how the body uses energy and how it breaks down food. When Dr. Yamanaka added these 4 things to old cells, something amazing happened. The cells not only fixed themselves, but they also got younger and older at the same time. Scientists called them iPSCs, which stands for Induced Pluripotent Stem Cells. What makes this so amazing is that these cells could turn into any type of cell in the body, just like embryonic stem cells. The only difference is that they were made from your own old cells. It works on people.
The information in this video is for educational purposes only, compiled from open sources, and does not substitute medical advice. Please consult your doctor for any health-related concerns.
Dr. Yamanaka wrote in Science in 2007 that tests on human cells showed it works, not just on mice. He won the Nobel Prize for this discovery in 2012. The Nobel lecture called them master switches because they reset the cellular clock and markers of aging. Think about what this means. As you get older, your DNA gets scars, but these switches can get rid of them completely. Damage to DNA methylation? It's gone. Changes to histones? Gone. Damage that has built up over decades? Gone. The process fixes DNA damage, cleans up cellular power plants, and repairs cell telomeres. This lets the cell grow younger and become physically younger. The clock of life. Steve Horvath came up with the epigenetic clock in 2013. It's a new way to measure your biological age instead of your calendar age. This discovery shocked everyone because these iPSCs could set this clock back to 0, no matter how old the person was. The clock goes back to 0, and your cells forget how old they are, no matter how old you are. Real people got better. You might be wondering if this really helps people, and the answer is yes. Let me show you some examples. The woman who saw again. Dr. Takahashi helped a 70-year-old woman in Japan in 2014 who was losing her vision because of age-related macular degeneration, which is a condition that slowly takes away your eyesight. They used her own cells to make iPSCs, which they then used to make new retinal cells. 2 years later, her vision had gotten a lot better, and she didn't have any rejection or tumors. This was the first time this technology had been used successfully to treat an age-related disease. The knee that got better, Dr. Goylik, at the University of Washington fixed knee cartilage in 12 patients in 2017 by using cells from iPSCs. The cartilage kept fixing itself for 18 months without any problems. The MRI scans showed something amazing. The new cartilage looked like it belonged to a healthy 20-year-old. Hope for Parkinson's Dr. Palmer at Lund University published results in Nature in 2019 that showed that neurons made from iPSCs helped Parkinson's disease patients regain brain function and motor function. The same method is being worked on by Dr. Zhang at the University of Wisconsin for Alzheimer's disease. This isn't just research in a lab anymore. It's helping real people with real problems that come with getting older. The thing that makes me most excited. If you're over 60, this is what gets me most excited. New research shows that your body has the same pathways that Dr. Yamanaka found. The study from 2020 that changes everything. Dr. Walter Longo and his team at the University of Southern California published research in cell metabolism that showed that lifestyle choices can activate the same pathways. You can turn these switches on at home by turning on FOXO, AMPK, and mTOR, which will have the same effect on cells. The cleanup link, Dr. Yilmaz at MIT discovered something interesting in 2018. Your body has a built-in cleaning system called autophagy that works in a way that is similar to cellular reprogramming. It gets rid of damaged cells, harmful proteins, and makes room for new growth. What shocked me even more was a 2017 study in the Autophagy Journal that showed that changing your lifestyle can speed up this cleanup process by 300%. Yes, 300%. Dr. Levine at UT Southwestern found the keys to success: fasting for short periods of time, working out, and getting certain nutrients. Now, pay close attention. We can't make IPSCS at home, but we can turn on these same pathways. Knowing exactly what works is the most important thing. 3 easy steps. Japanese people over 100 have been using these ideas for generations, and science shows that they work. Let me clarify. First step: stop at 80%. The Japanese call this practice hara hachi bu, and it's very simple. Stop eating when you're about 80% full, so you have some room before you feel full. How it works. Dr. Wilcox spent 30 years studying Okinawan centenarians, following 740 people who lived to be 100. People who did this habit had a lot less heart disease, cancer, and problems with their brains. In his 2018 study published in the Journal of Cell Metabolism, Dr. Fontana explained why. Stopping at 80% turns on AMPK, which is the energy sensor in your cells. This activation starts the process of repairing cells, renewing cells, autophagy, and building new cellular power plants, which is what the iPSC factors do. Step 2. Fast for 12 to 16 hours. Every day, this means that you should fast for 12 to 16 hours every day. Dr. Matson at Johns Hopkins has done a lot of research on this method. The science Dr. Cheng's research in the Stem Cell Journal in 2018 showed that fasting greatly increases the activity of stem cells all over your body. The fasting period in their study doubled the number of stem cells that regenerated in young mice, and the same impressive results were seen in older mice. When you fast, your body's cleanup system kicks in and gets rid of damaged cells and proteins. This work, which is known as cellular spring cleaning, won Dr. Osumi the Nobel Prize. This is when repair starts, revitalization starts, and new healthy tissue grows. Dr. Brandhorst's 2015 study found that fasting resets your immune system and gives new life to stem cells all over your body. Step 3. Give your stem cells food. Some foods naturally turn on these pathways. Tea in green. In 2019, Dr. Lee did a lot of research on this and wrote about it in the Journal of Nutrition. EGCG in green tea starts repair enzymes that fix DNA damage, so it helps repair DNA. Researchers followed 1,200 people and found that those who drank 3 to 4 cups a day had 40% less DNA damage. That's a lot. Fats with omega-3. Dr. Harris's 2010 study in the PNAS journal found that omega-3s make cell membranes younger and help cells talk to each other better. These fats, which are found in salmon, sardines, and walnuts, make your cell walls more flexible, reduce inflammation, help bring nutrients into your cells, and help get rid of waste. Foods that have been fermented. Dr. Elinav's 2021 study in Cell Host and Microbe showed that fermented foods are good for gut stem cells because they keep inflammation in check and keep the immune system in check. Kimchi, kefir, and miso are some foods that can help strengthen your intestinal barrier, increase the number of intestinal stem cells, and improve the connection between your brain and gut. This can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Plants with Color. Dr. Panda's 2020 study in the journal Nature found that diets high in plants lower oxidative stress and slow down the aging of cells. He followed 500 people for 5 years and found that people who ate plants had younger biological ages and telomeres that were better protected. These foods don't just have a connection. They also turn on the same pathways that Dr. Yamanaka found. Your daily schedule. Let me make this easy by giving you clear, useful steps to follow. When you get up to keep your cells hydrated, drink 16 ounces of water, which is about 2 cups. Dr. Wei's 2019 study found that properly hydrating cells helps the body get rid of toxins and starts the process of autophagy. First meal. Start with green tea and add a little bit of kimchi or kefir, which helps repair DNA and supports stem cells in the gut. To protect cell membranes, eat foods that are high in omega-3s, such as salmon, sardines, or walnuts. The most important thing is to follow the 80% rule and stop eating before you feel full. To keep AMPK running and get the benefits of your overnight fast, eat about 20% of your daily calories at this meal. Afternoon. Eat a lot of colorful plant-based foods that are high in antioxidants and polyphenols. Dr. Sinclair at Harvard discovered that polyphenols turn on sirtuins, which are longevity genes that use the same reprogramming pathways we've talked about. Drink green tea between meals to keep your EGCG levels high all day long, and eat moderate amounts of high-quality protein to help stem cells fix tissue. Nighttime. To start your 12 to 16-hour fast, stop eating 3 to 4 hours before bed. This timing is very important because it stops insulin from stopping growth hormone, which fixes cells while you sleep. Dr. Booth found that taking a walk in the evening increases autophagy, circulation, and AMPK activity, and helps get rid of cellular waste. Sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep every night. Dr. Nedergaard's research showed that cells heal mostly while you sleep. This is when your brain's cleaning system works, and your body makes growth hormone to help tissues heal. What happens? Your cells will naturally regenerate when you give them the right nutrients. Make sure they have enough time to recover and get the timing right. Dr. Longo showed that this combination works to extend life by activating the same pathways as iPSC technology. Even though we're not using real iPSC treatment, which needs advanced labs, viral vectors, and constant monitoring. Instead, we're backing the same processes that Dr. Yamanaka found by making changes to our lifestyles based on evidence. The best part is that these methods work together to make each other's effects stronger. Things you need to know. We can't make these cells at home yet, and iPSC technology needs a lot more testing. But what we can do is very impressive. Your lifestyle choices can help your body's natural renewal systems work better. By using the same mechanisms and following the same molecular pathways that won a Nobel Prize. These pathways boost autophagy, speed up DNA repair, and slow down cellular aging. Dr. Yamanaka has said that iPSC therapy has a lot of potential for the future. But for now, the best way to stay healthy as you age is to make choices that help your body's natural healing processes. The schedule. It takes a long time for cells to grow back, so these methods need patience and consistency. But after 8 to 12 weeks of regular practice, measurable benefits have been seen. Dr. Fontana's long-term research shows that the benefits keep getting better over time, with the best results coming after 6 to 12 months of consistent practice. Keep this in mind. When you consistently follow these rules, your cells will naturally heal and grow. Cellular reprogramming gives us a lot of hope that we can actually reverse aging. We have some very useful tools available right now, even though we are still waiting for clinical trials and regulatory approval for iPSC therapies. If you use them correctly and stick to the routine, you'll get cellular benefits for years to come. You can change the future in labs, but what you do every day changes your present reality, starting right now. Please like and share this information if it helped you. It will help other people who want to learn more about this science. Talk about Dr. Yamanaka's discovery in the comments below. And tell us how it went when you tried to make these changes. Your cells are paying attention. Give them what they need.